All right, guys, today is picture day on one of my newest listings, and it is the biggest Rambler I have ever had the pleasure of selling. It's also one of the coolest houses. It's fully custom. My client built it in 2023. You are not going to want to miss every square inch of this house. Let's get into it. Today, we're checking out our listing, 7121 Courthouse Road here in Spotsylvania, Virginia. We are just a few minutes from the Spotsylvania Courthouse. We are also just about 10 or 15 minutes from Lake Anna. You have two different entrances to get here. You have Massaponax and you have Thornburg, which is, the area is kind of exploding with some cool things. We have a $1 billion water park coming into this area. Kalahari Water Park has elected to build their next water park, which is going to be the biggest on the East Coast here in Thornburg, Virginia, just about 10 minutes away. We have Dominion Raceway. We have a Starbucks that just opened up. So that's enough about the area. Let's actually get into the house tour. This house is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath Rambler. Rambler being a 1-level house. Now we do have a full basement in this house. We are over 5,000 square feet, 27 on the upstairs and 22 down in the basement. There's also some really cool things. We have a 3-car garage and a side loading garage that the owner uses for his current workshop. Unfortunately, these are good clients of mine and they are moving away. Moving on to the next chapter of life. While we're talking about this house though, we can't forget to mention that this is on 10 acres. Beautiful hardwood lot. So that's enough talk. Let's get into the actual tour of this house. Coming in the front door, photographer just left, made him leave all the lights on. We have our dining area here. We have hardwoods throughout. Coming in here, we have our living room, of course, coffered ceiling. This house is trimmed out to the 9. And then we have our big kitchen, which we'll get into in a second. We're gonna go left first, which is our office. As you can see, a lot of natural light. Something to note, this does have a closet in there as well. We're not really considering it a bedroom, but it's legally a bedroom. We have our powder room right here. So this is the only half bath. Everything else is full. So we'll have 3 full baths as well. Coming in here, we have our first bedroom of the tour. That's the driveway to get to the underloading garage. Front porch right there. So this is the Jack and Jill bedroom to this bathroom right here, which is just a big, awesome bathroom. Tile in the bathrooms, as you can see, with the tub, and then back to hardwoods. Now, we were moving a few things around, don't get me mad about that. We have a cat tree and some staging items in here. But again, just a big bedroom. We will have floor plans on our website. You guys would like to check out the floor plans to get some more dimensions, but it's custom built, so it's hard to get the blueprints. So coming back in here, we have this huge gas fireplace mantle, all stone. Beautiful living room. Just an open floor plan and an awesome layout. Wait till you see the pantry. As you can see, that's an oversized, gigantic refrigerator. Awesome island, the kitchen sink right here. We also have the pull-out trash cans in the center island, which is a nice touch, along with the dishwasher, which is very efficient, of course. We have gas cooktop, range. We have a drink refrigerator right there, along with the microwave and the oven right here. Now the pantry is gigantic. Remember, folks are living here, so we still have some food on the shelves, everything else, but this is their coffee bar. And the cool thing here is we have the sink. So we have water and everything here, along with power, and just a really awesome pantry right off the kitchen. Now, if that wasn't cool enough, wait till you see the primary bedroom. Coming into the primary, so this is a split bedroom design. We're gonna get in here shortly. This is the mudroom, basement, garage. But coming into the primary bedroom, awesome room, huge. That's a king size bed. We have room. We also have some cool lighting package and some cool windows as well. Everything's LED lights. Primary closet. Some nice built-ins. No wire racks in this house. Absolutely not. Again, hardwoods throughout the first floor. Very nice uniformal design, and then back into the primary bathroom. And now we're back in the tile. So all the bathrooms are tile. This one has a double vanity, nice corner closet there. We have a linen closet here. No shower door. You don't need it when you have this big of a shower. Throne room, and then this was a cool little area that the owner herself designed. This was kind of a dead space on the blueprints. So they talked about maybe doing a closet into the garage, but this is also the laundry room here. So this is where the steps actually come down. So this was just a dead area. I'm assuming the steps are coming through down here to the basement. They made it a makeup closet or makeup room. So super cool. When you do custom homes like this, obviously you can have a little bit more wiggle room on what you like to do. The downside is once you turn it into the county, you're not allowed to really move anything. Okay, so coming out of the primary suite, let's go into the laundry room. Again, another sink area, plenty of storage when it comes to cabinetry, washer and dryer. Garage here, garage is full today. Remember, today is picture day, so we don't typically like to show those areas. People are living here, so we're just gonna leave it alone. But it is a oversized 3-car garage. But we are gonna go down to the basement now. Now, the basement is built more for entertainment. As you can see, we have a gigantic great room right here. We do have another bedroom down here. Now, this is not a legal bedroom because we have no windows. We also have a 400 amp service right there, but we're considering this a bedroom for marketing purposes. What an awesome shower, holy smokes. Check out these lights that the owner put on. I think that's super cool. And then again, just a gigantic shower, beautiful tile. So we do have carpet down here, but you'll see in the bar area, they actually kept it unfinished for now as far as the flooring is concerned, because this is where the partying would happen. So this has 2 fireplaces, note this, so one here and then one up in that living room. But coming in here, we have a utility closet here, just a standalone closet here, and then we have this huge bar area. Now we are using that kind of an overflow for storage right now, but looking at this bar area, we kept the floor like this just in case any drinks get spilled. Now you could do LVP or maybe tile or something like that, but in this case, we talked about maybe polishing the floors or painting the floors, which all could be good ideas, but again, we really didn't want to spill some red wine or anything on it. You'll see as we get down here, we'll have this little eat-in area right here, some more storage. As you can see, it's all been wired for more televisions or anything along those lines. Christmas package lighting, something like that. This goes outside right here. It's kind of an overflow. Come right back out here. Wells in the front, but again, this is on 10 acres. Really cool. But this is the workshop. So that's like another reason why everything more laid back when it comes down here. Still high-end finishes, but you see the neon paradise. So we're walking in, you get to meet the client himself. Here's Woody.
Hey, how you doing?
As you can see, he is ate up with neon.
I am. It's an addiction.
As you can see, he is ate up with neon, works on neon. Obviously, this is a dying art form at this point, but I'll have to show you the sign that he made for my real estate company. It's beautiful. But this is a heated and cooled area underneath the house, as you can see right there. So this is an additional 500 square feet, correct? Give or take.
Yeah, in this area right here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think so.
That's additional 500 square feet. And then the only question I didn't have was the garage out back, where the lean-to is.
Yes.
The shed area. What is the size on that?
The whole shed itself is 20 by 20.
Okay.
But the shed itself is 10 by 10, and the lean-to is 10 by 10.
Okay.
That makes it 20-20.
Okay, so that structure is 20 by 20. So it's a shed's 10 by 10, and then the lean-to is 10 by 10 as well. All right, well, thank you so much. I will get back out of your hair. But as you can see, if you need any neons worked on, reach out to me. I'll get you their information. As you can see, Woody's the man. I sold him this lot back in 2020, 2021, and they took it from there with their custom home. So we're gonna go outside now and check out the outside area, which is beautiful. Huge back deck, everything's done in Trex, not only lighting, but fans as well. So let's go check it out. All right, so we're just coming out of the kitchen area, looking at this awesome deck. Something else I should note is we have Hardie Plank here. So this is a Hardie Plank siding. And then again, covered deck. That was the shed me and Woody were talking about over there. And you have a flat lot too, as you can see. We do have septic over there, right? But if you ever want to do a pool, you have some room. But this back porch is awesome. This is where I would stay. Majority of my time, I would be willing to bet. We do have wires pre-ran right there for surround sound. We have some more in the pantry that we're gonna leave the next owner. We have ran right there for a TV if you wanted to put one as well, along with some cable jacks with LED lights. There's 4 of them out here. Plus we have the fan. All right, guys, so that is gonna wrap up our tour here at the Spotsylvania Courthouse, my newest listing on Courthouse Road. If you guys have any questions or wanna tour this property, please reach out to me. I'll get you a private tour. We'll come out and check it out firsthand. If not, I always appreciate you guys liking this video and watching it, of course. That's always a huge help to my channel. If you guys have any other real estate needs, of course, you can always leave a comment down below or reach out to me again via email, or we'll have a form for our website too, if that's easier for you. As always, I appreciate everything you guys do, and I'll see you on the next one.